Okay, today on Papa's These Bees, we're going to take a look at the horizontal hive, see how it's doing, add some more frames if need be, just kind of overall general inspection. Quick one, we won't be in there very long. So follow us along. Okay, give them a few little puffs there, make sure they're all okay. Get them out of the way. They really propolized this. Yeah, oh, a bunch of bees. Put this down here where they can crawl up if they want to. So I think we're going to, from the looks of this, we're going to need some more space. Give them a little more smoke, just kind of let them know we're coming in. Oh my goodness. Look at the honey on that one. The capped honey is just, this is a really heavy frame. Not much on that side, but on that outside there's a lot. So we're probably now going to be getting into the brood area, which is a little closer than what I really want for it to be, but that's where it's been a few times we've looked. Look at the bees in there. That's a good looking brood frame. Not that much brood on it, but there's some. Yeah, lots of really nice larvae. I don't know if you can see those larvae in here next to the brood. So make sure there's, if I can see the queen in here. They're still making drones, which is good for queen rearing. More smoke. You don't want to give them too much smoke because one of the things they do is they'll fatten up with, they get honey, fill their crawls with honey, because in the wild, if the hive was threatened with smoke, with a fire, what they would do is they would fill their honey crawls. Oh, look at the brood in there. Really nice looking brood. Lots of larvae in there. I'm going to see if the little camera here can catch any of that. Now, I don't see the queen. That doesn't mean she's not right here, but move this over a little bit further. Oh yeah, really nice brood pattern there. Really young larvae. Let's see if I can get really close. I don't know how close this little camera can register, but that's so you can kind of see there's honey on those, and it looks like they're getting in there and gorging with honey again, so they can, escape if they need to. I read an article, Randy Oliver, he said they do silly things when you smoke them, so that's probably true. One thing I'm not seeing either is swarm cells or, oh yeah, lots of really nice brood here. Really nice brood pattern on both sides. Oh yeah, lots of really nice brood. Really nice brood on both sides. If you do see the queen on the video, just give us a comment and tell us about where it was so we can go back and look at it later. I haven't really seen her, but they're bringing in pollen. If you can see the little pollen sacs on that one bee right there. Again, lots of really nice brood there. She's got a nice brood all over, so she's still, they're still producing. So what we're going to end up for sure wanting to do here is add more frames. I'm almost certain they will have filled up all the frames that they have. They're so thick in here, just thick. It tells me they're crowded and they need more space. Again, lots of brood. It's not as much brood here because they're filling it out with honey. But it's like this next frame is pretty full. Now, they're not real happy, but they're not horrible. This hive has been stronger. It has been nastier at times. And you see all the nice brood pattern there. I want to take some of these shots here. There's the board there for the queen excluder. So I think I'm going to try to move the whole thing on down a little bit. If I can get them broken loose. Yeah, look at that honey. Oh my goodness. Brood there on that side. And lots of really, really pretty honey. Back in there. Still not seeing any swarm cells. The bees like that little microphone cover I got on there. Oh man, another full frame of honey. Look at that. One of the things that we did, we added this foam here to allow the sides of the hive to flex a little bit. Give them some more room. This should almost be this should only be honey, and they're bringing in nectar, which is good. The wonky comb. They haven't filled the comb out yet. They're building out, so not as bad as I thought it was going to be. As far as it needs more room, but I will put a couple more frames in here to make sure. Well, this one's not even close to building this one out. What I think I'm going to do find those frames that are really heavy in honey and move them on down into this honey area. I'm going to put it down here. Man, it's heavy. This one down in here for now. And as we close everything down, we'll bring some of those frames over. That are pretty empty, like this one. And this one. Pretty cool. Okay, so this will be the last one, and now we'll start putting things back together. One of the things that I want to do is to take this drone comb and put it back in. I don't know if you were watching, but before we put the drone comb in, and you can see the capped drones here, but this frame has been in the freezer. So the drone, it would have killed the drones and the mites. I'll put that over here right next to the queen. I'm thinking we'll leave the queen excluder in. Now I'm going to start putting it back together, and I got to find the proper spacing on it. Lots of honey there, but there's also some brood areas. So now we'll just start trying to pull everything together. Okay, so we'll start putting the things back together on this end so I can find the direct edge. But if you remember last time we talked about it, this edge where you're trying to separate things needs to be away from these kind, the ones we have a lot of gap in here. So keep the queen over on that side. Now we'll start bringing this one together. This side. Okay, now I'm going to just put a couple more frames in here for now, because we should be getting fairly close to the end of the season, but you just really don't know. Two things I want to remember. Horizontal bees, that's Rickey Roark. I'll give you information on him a little bit. And also Guardian Bee Apparel. We had a little bit of problem with the zipper. If you've watched some of the videos, you've seen the zipper having an issue. Contacted them with the problem, and they just immediately sent me one. So thanks, guys. Guardian Bees, they're great folks to deal with. And by putting this one before here, this will keep these bees from crawling over the top. Make sure I've got all this covered properly. Okay, so now any bees that are in there will be able to come out. I'm going to put these extra frames over in here, and then we'll leave this open a little bit so they can come out and just fly out and get back in to the hive. Well, we've done what we needed to do. I'll come back in a little bit and close this down after these bees have had a chance to fly out, so they won't get locked in that side. I'll put this out here where they can take care of it. So, okay. Well, interesting day. I got bees all around me, bees all over my mic and my camera. So we'll see what happens. Thanks.
Well, there you have it. Another interesting day in the bee yard. Hey, I want to apologize for the sound. The bees apparently really love that new windscreen. I think they maybe think it's something to pollinate. So we'll try to improve on that. But there's a lot of stuff going on. So I hope you could hear through the bee noise. And please come back next time and we'll do some more and hopefully get better. Thanks.